ABC 15 health team alert, going to great lengths to get a younger look. Some call it a wrinkle cure, but the latest buzz in beauty is also illegal in the U.S. Still, that's not stopping some.
They either bootleg it or patients actually can bring it in themselves.
What's inside this box is a hot commodity here in the U.S. For some, it's the secret to the fountain of youth. Americans are willing to travel to other countries for this eternal youth.
I have heard that there are situations where patients buy product here and then bring it back to the U.S. for treatment.
Illegal treatments.
Patients were bringing it from Canada, from Israel, from England. Patients of mine who come here for surgery, and I would inject them with this Restylane, which is simply hyaluronic acid, and the results were really very, very, very good and longer lasting.
This prominent U.S. plastic surgeon who wishes to hide her identity admits to illegally injecting her patients.
In fact, I use it on myself, and most of my friends, if they can get it, would love to have it.
Destination Windsor, Canada, a beautiful tourist area for Americans, but these days the beautiful sights aren't bringing Americans across the border. It's the lure of looking good from this Restylane.
Patients seem to like the way it feels better, and I think the longevity is long. It's a longer lasting product.
Americans are flocking to Canada because this new wrinkle filler is illegal in the U.S., still waiting for approval by the Food and Drug Administration.
So we're going to try to give you more volume on both upper lips.
Jerry Tan is a Windsor dermatologist. He sees American patients looking for Restylane.
They've tried the collagen products and so on, and they're looking for something that might be a little bit more natural feeling.
This wonder drug is made in Sweden by QMed. It's legal in Canada and Europe. So while the hype for this seeming fountain of youth, here are some of the advantages of Restylane. According to dermatologists who have used the product, it's easier to work with than traditional collagen. It's made with hyaluronic acid, the substance that gives your skin its subtleness and thickness for that youthful appearance. That acid in Restylane is almost identical to the kind in your body, which means less allergic reactions. And finally, it seems to last longer than Botox or collagen, around 6 to 8 months for some patients.
For each syringe, it goes further than comparable amounts of collagen.
Bruce Katz, a New York dermatologist, is participating in one of a handful of U.S. clinical trials testing Restylane.
She'll be a little swollen overnight, and then by tomorrow she'll be fine. She'll see exactly what it looks like.
And his clients, like Maria Aiello, are willing to be a test case if that means erasing the wrinkles.
It makes you feel good. Yeah, it makes you feel good, and, you feel better about yourself.
It's that quick fix that has everyone so interested in Restylane. As you can see in these before and after pictures by QMed, this patient's folds around her mouth are dramatically reduced. The creases above this man's eyes have also been filled in, giving him a more youthful look. And this patient's lips are now fuller and look more defined after injecting Restylane.
It's a very attractive option for people who do not want surgery.
Sean Lille is a Scottsdale plastic surgeon who says soft tissue fillers are starting to become a larger part of his practice, but he cautions it's still not FDA approved.
There's been one side effect that's been somewhat concerning, and that includes a prolonged swelling and redness over the course of the product while it's in the skin.
The redness does go away, and despite the minimal side effects, Dr. Lille still believes Restylane is a good product.
Absolutely. I will use it once it's FDA approved because I think it definitely has some advantages. The holy grail for soft tissue fillers is finding a substance that is pliable, easy to use, minimal side effects, that lasts.
And for many, Restylane will be the holy grail for wrinkles here in the U.S.